What if DJI just revealed the Pocket 4 before they were ready? Because that's exactly what seems to have happened. A Malaysian retailer posted a full hands-on video of the DJI Pocket 4, and then suddenly deleted it. But as always, the internet never forgets. Screen recordings are already circulating, and here's the interesting part. This doesn't look like a prototype. The device in the footage appears finished, polished, and retail-ready. The user interface looks complete, the hardware looks finalized, and even the packaging appears to be production level. And if you've followed DJI launches before, you'll know this pattern. Retailer leaks like this usually show up right before an official announcement, not months in advance. So yes, this feels very close to launch. Now let's talk about what the leak actually confirmed. The overall design stays familiar. The classic vertical gimbal layout is still here, and honestly, that makes sense. The Pocket design already works, so DJI didn't try to reinvent it. But the real upgrades are in the details. The first big change is new physical buttons on the grip. This might sound minor, but it's a huge usability improvement. Instead of constantly tapping through menus while filming, creators can quickly adjust settings on the fly. For vloggers and casual shooters, that means faster control and fewer missed moments. And then comes the surprise feature nobody expected. The Pocket 4 appears to include a built-in adjustable LED light near the camera module. It's mounted on a small hinged arm, allowing you to angle it based on your shooting situation. Think about how useful that is. Quick night vlog. Indoor recording with poor lighting. No external accessories needed. For everyday creators, this could be one of the most practical upgrades DJI has added to the Pocket series. The leak also briefly shows a new intelligent shooting feature called Super Mode. While details are limited, it appears to be an automatic scene optimization system, combining HDR, exposure control, and noise reduction. In simple terms, less manual tweaking, more point-and-shoot convenience. And that tells us something important. DJI isn't just improving hardware. They're focusing on smarter software and easier content creation, especially for casual users and mobile creators. So when you put it all together, the Pocket 4 leak confirms a finalized design. Extra physical controls, built-in adjustable LED lighting, smarter automatic shooting modes. This isn't speculation anymore. This looks like a product ready to ship. But just when everyone was focused on the Pocket 4, another surprise appeared. The Osmo 360 Mark II has surfaced early in certification listings, and this one came out of nowhere. According to FCC and SGS records, the device was registered back in December 2025. That timeline matters because it suggests this camera has been quietly in development for months, not rushed at the last minute. Now here's what the certifications reveal. The biggest change is a larger battery, increasing from about 1,950 mAh to roughly 2,150 mAh, around a 10% improvement. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6, focusing on stability rather than new experimental features. What's interesting is what's missing. There's no evidence of new sensors, higher resolution, or major performance upgrades. 8K still appears to be the maximum. That suggests the Osmo 360 Mark II is more of a refinement than a full next-generation leap. And here's the key detail. Certification documents listed as a final production unit, meaning the hardware is locked and ready. Based on DJI's typical release cycle, this points to a possible Q2 2026 launch window. So what's the bigger picture here? Right now, it looks like DJI is refining its lineup, improving usability, battery life, and real-world performance, while possibly preparing bigger innovations behind the scenes. Between the Pocket 4 leak and the early appearance of the Osmo 360 Mark II, one thing is clear: DJI's next wave of creator tools is coming sooner than expected. Now I want to hear from you. Is the built-in LED on the Pocket 4 the feature you didn't know you needed? Or were you hoping for bigger upgrades from the Osmo 360 Mark II? Let me know your thoughts, and stay tuned, because if these leaks are accurate, official announcements might be just around the corner.